I wish I could be like a normal person and be like, oh my god, it's Thirsty Thursday, like gotta go out, like no work, like let's party. Here I am, I'm like, let's get some kale and kombucha at Whole Foods. Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday, July 11th. It's like 9 o'clock and I decided to do a day in my life because honestly, I don't really have much to do today. But my first question for you guys, for all my girl viewers, I need help. This has literally been like taking over my life lately. I'm starting out my morning with some tea. I'm drinking ginger turmeric herbal tea. This has been my favorite tea lately. It's so good. And the reason I'm drinking this is because in my video like 2 days ago, I told you guys how I was having like really weird digestive problems. I didn't know what was going on. I figured out the issue, and that's birth control. So I switched my birth. It was my alarm to wake up. I woke up an hour ago. My friend FaceTimed me, emergency. I answered, my eyes like half open. I'm like, this better be an emergency, bitch. So anyway, I switched birth controls to Junelle. I think that's what it's called. Last night, I just broke down in tears. Like, I could not sleep. It was like 1:30 and I was like, what the hell? So I've been having really weird trouble sleeping. My digestive system is literally fucked. Every single thing I've eaten like the past 5 days has been so backed up. I'm so bloated. It honestly looks like I gained 15 pounds. So if you guys see on my Instagram, I posted this picture 2 weeks ago, and then I made the Kenzie Burke video the day after, and I was feeling like my best, like so tiny. Like, I started this new birth control, and I'm not kidding when I tell you, like, my face is puffy. I don't break out like this on a daily basis. Like, it doesn't happen. Everything I eat is just like, it sits in me. I've been like living off of Tums. I cannot explain it. Like, last night I just broke down. I was like, why am I feeling like this? I couldn't even button my shorts. I don't know if it's bloating in general or if it's like weight gain, but it is messing me up. So if you guys are on Junelle, like, and you guys have had the same symptoms, I looked it up last night at like 1:30 when I had a breakdown, and I was like, what is going on? And a lot of the things were like, oh, I had a blood clot, like don't take this. Like, I'm going on like a little vacation this week and I'm like hella nervous. Oh, it's Thursday. Yeah, I leave tomorrow, and like I'll be in a bikini all weekend. I don't want to feel like crap, you know? I'm not kidding. It looks like I gained 15 pounds. Also, I have been a raging bitch to like everyone in my family. Like, I yelled at my grandma yesterday. Like, that is the one person like you're not supposed to yell at. Like, that's your grandma. Like, but anyway, back to the video. I basically ran my ass around all day yesterday, running errands and doing everything I had to do. So like today I could kind of like chill and prep and like pack and stuff like that. So I didn't even have time to go to the gym yesterday, which is like very unlike me. I will make time, but yesterday I really had no time at all. So I want to get in like a nice like hour and a half, maybe 2 hour workout today and show you guys my pasta. Also, oh my god, if you saw yesterday's vlog, I told you guys I was gonna make the lemon bread. I posted it on my story. So I said, holy shit, I made it and I almost ate the whole thing. Vegan, gluten-free, no sugar. Wow, like wow, probably her best recipe yet. It is so good. Wow, wow. This lady is a recipe like god. I don't know how she does it, but like she's a god. Anyway, this clip is 6.5 minutes long and it's of me pointless talking, so I'm gonna go make some coffee now and watch Live with Kelly and Ryan because I'm a 40-year-old woman. Currently drinking my morning bub. Don't mind my band-aid, I literally sliced my finger open cutting an English muffin. Watching some YouTube, and I'm about to start some homework, and as soon as I do this, I'm done with this class. I'm so excited. Hi guys, so it is now 11:30. I'm making my second breakfast. This is my usual new like gluten-free English muffins and stuff like that. Also on my second cup of this ginger turmeric tea. In the past 2 hours, I have been binging Danielle Carolyn's vlogs. I literally just found her and like I'm obsessed. She's so cool. What else? Oh, I've been doing homework. I edited a thumbnail. I started editing this video. I've been doing some chores around the house. So I've been like pretty productive, but my main focus today should be finding myself a new apartment. I'm so excited. I'm finally living by myself, and this has been a dream of mine for so long. Anyway, I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see more like mostly like food and health based videos rather than like incorporate like some style, like fashion, skincare, makeup, whatever, all that stuff. And at first it was like 75 food and then like 25% of that, and now it's like 50-50. So I'm like, great, thank you. So I guess I have like half my viewers want something and then half my others want another. So I am definitely gonna incorporate some other like videos that aren't like mainly food based. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then get my ass ready for the gym. I love days where I don't really have any responsibilities. Aren't they the best? I just wanted to show you guys how I really think that this birth control is like messing with me. I was getting like pretty toned in my stomach. Now it's getting like all flabby and I'm not quite sure what's going on. Like I'm literally so bloated, like you could see it. I'm wearing a long shirt to the gym today to cover that. Today just happened to be an extremely lazy day. So I'm just wearing a t-shirt, my Lululemon leggings. These have been my favorite recently. They're so nice to work out in them. And then these Nike, I think they're free runs. So I'm gonna do some sprints today, so. Oh my god, you guys, it's literally insane outside. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna stay, do an extra like 20 minutes of cardio, which I did. So like this is a combination of like mostly sweat, but I just sprinted to my car. There's like no windows in the gym until like you get up front. I walked up front, I'm like, you're kidding me. I also got an alert on my phone that was like, oh, flash flood warning, so killed my workout though.
That you're gonna be the one for you. And there's gonna be nobody else's.
I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna self-tan just because I haven't done it in a while. I'm looking very red in my skin. I also just did my eyebrows and I honestly think they look phenomenal. I was gonna walk to my eyebrow place after the gym. I was not walking anywhere. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys what I did like pre-self-tanner. The one thing I use, especially before self-tanning, is I use the Duval Radiant Spin Care System. You guys have probably seen all of your favorite influencers talk about this. I saw Tana Mojo did a video with them. I saw Gabby DiMartino, and they are doing videos with them because this product is amazing. I've actually partnered with them before. This is my second one that they sent me. So it comes with 2 of these different size heads that you can like attach. So this one I really like. It's so easy, like you could just interchange them just like that. This one I always use pre-self-tanner. It's so important to exfoliate your entire body before you self-tan, obviously. And this is amazing because it's super powerful. It's super easy to use. It's not like a brush where you have to like sit there and like brush your skin super hard. It's really gentle, but it does the job. So for 70% off, yeah, I said 70%. You guys can use the code SPIRIT2019. Seriously, get your hands on one of these. All of your favorite influencers are talking about it because it is the shit. I love it for everyday use. Also, my summer cleanser I've really been liking is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. And then once I get out of the shower, I always use the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. This stuff is amazing. So now I'm gonna self-tan, but I have to be naked for that, so I'm not gonna show you guys on camera, but I do use Bondi Sands Ultra Dark. I've been using this for 2 years. It's almost empty, and then after that, I'm gonna try Loving Tan. So let me know what self-tanner you guys use down below if you use one, and please send me your recommendations because I would love them. I'm either gonna try Saint Tropez or Loving Tan. So yeah, I'm on my second cup of coffee. I'm really hungry right now, so I'm just gonna quickly self-tan and then make the pasta for you guys because I know you've been waiting. So for my new favorite pasta recipe, the things you're going to be needing are some tomatoes. I'm using a bunch of them. I got them at Costco, so I'm trying to use them up. A big thing of kale, make sure it's washed and dried. I really like this red lentil rotini. Literally the only ingredient is red lentil flour. Nutritional yeast, I use a lot of this in this recipe to make it cheesy. And then I also use some of these like vegan cheddar style slices, and then some olive oil, and it's very simple. So let's get to it. So you want to start by chopping these and chopping these, and then we're gonna put them in there and saute them with some olive oil. So I'm just sauteing up my kale now. It literally shrunk down so small. That's what's good about kale. And then over here, I literally just poured this in. So I poured the whole box, YOLO. So I just transferred the pasta over into this bowl. And now I'm going to pour this in there and then add in these 2 things. So I'm just gonna do 2 slices of cheese and a bunch of nutritional yeast. And then you guys can add like garlic, salt, pepper, chili flakes, whatever, to taste your liking. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. It is literally so good. I cannot wait to eat it. It's also really good cold if you want to eat it on the go for lunch or something. Oh my God, just turned on the camera. I got another flash flood alert. Amazing. I'm just gonna eat this now. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Honestly, I might take a nap and I'm just gonna like chill out because I have to go to work in like 2 hours. I just have to babysit. If you guys make this recipe, please, please, please show me on Instagram and let me know what you guys think. What's up, guys? It is now 6:45. I was supposed to babysit and yeah, she texted me like an hour before I was supposed to come in and was like, hey, we're actually not going anywhere. Plans changed because of the weather. Also, I look super tan right now. I'm loving this. So what do? Come to Whole Foods. I really wanted to go and I wanted to try it on camera because I've never tried it. Oh my god, that's all they give you? Wow. So you guys get my live reaction. I got the salty dark chocolate one. This is the one that everyone's been talking about. I also got a kombucha and some kale because I want to make some kale chips. I wish I could be like a normal person and be like, oh my god, it's Thirsty Thursday, like gotta go out, like no work, like let's party. Here I am, I'm like, let's get some kale and kombucha at Whole Foods. All right, ready? It's good. It tastes like salty dark chocolate. Oh, especially because I'm PMSing. Alright, well. Good. I'm so glad I came to try it. Anyway, I think I'm going to end this vlog here because the only thing I'm going to do when I get home is edit it and upload it. Wow, this is really good. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you press the subscribe button because I know you want to. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys.